So, how much money can you really make selling digital downloads online? Is it a profitable business to get into? What potential earnings can you expect as a planner seller? These are questions that I get all the time from online creatives looking to tap into the booming industry of digital products. The short answer, yes. Selling digital downloads online has great potential to be profitable. In less than 4 years, I've built my own digital downloadable shop to earn over 6 figures a year consistently. Hey, you guys, my name is Kayla, and I'm a full time traveling graphic designer. And today I'll be sharing with you how you can make over $3,000 a month in profit potential simply selling digital downloadable items online. In this video, I'll be referencing a resource that we offer, which is a monthly profit potential calculator for digital shops. Feel free to check out this calculator and input your own numbers after watching this video using the link below. To calculate your monthly profit potential, you need to be aware of three methods. Firstly, you want to think about how many digital units you can realistically sell in a week. There's no right or wrong answer for this, and honestly, there's no concrete way to predict this without past data to see your average sales over time. If you currently have a shop, analyze your sales data over time to see how many sales you typically get each week. It's best to look at this data over a long period of time, such as 30 days or more, to get a more accurate representation. Once you find your average, insert the number into the profit potential calculator's question: how many of your digital products could you realistically sell in a week? If you don't currently have a shop, type in your weekly sales goal. I would suggest inputting a unit no less than 7 or 1 sale a day, which is pretty obtainable as a new seller. Next, you'll want to input the average price of your digital product. You'll want to keep in mind the type of product you're selling. You probably wouldn't sell a digital sticker for $200 or a 300-page ebook for $2. Do some research online to see the average pricing for your niche. Simply type in the type of product you plan on selling in the search bar and analyze what sellers are selling these products for and ask yourself why. It's important to note that pricing is a flexible variable that will go up and down over time. But having a ballpark range is great to know as a beginner so you can stay competitive within your market. You can always adjust this later. Once you find your item's price, insert the number into the profit potential calculator's question: on average, how much could you realistically sell your digital product for? And finally, to calculate your profit potential, you'll want to take into consideration your monthly expenses. So, how much do you estimate your monthly operational costs to be? Considering any transaction fees, monthly subscriptions, utilities such as internet, taxes, supplies, and marketing costs. Fortunately, as a digital shop, you won't have a lot of expenses, which means you'll have an even greater profit potential. And once you figure out your monthly expenses, insert the number into the profit potential calculator's question: how much do you estimate your monthly operational costs will be? Once you input all three numbers, the calculator will automatically calculate your profit potential for selling digital downloads every month. This is such a great way for you to predict your income if you're starting a new shop or if you're making a few changes to an existing shop. Continue to play with your numbers and set your goals to reach them moving forward. And that's it, you guys. I hope I was able to provide some insights into what you could potentially make selling digital products online. The sky's the limit with the success you can achieve as an online seller, but seeing the numbers you should be aiming for is a great tangible way to set goals.